Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best bedroom organizers is probably one of the most essential investments you can make for a peaceful and functional living space, transforming cluttered chaos into a serene sanctuary where every item has its place, ultimately boosting your productivity and reducing daily stress by creating an environment that promotes relaxation and enhances your overall well-being. Number 5. SPACEKEEPER Slim 3-Tier Rolling Storage Cart. Introducing a versatile 3-tier rolling cart designed to fit perfectly in tight spaces. Customize its layout with removable shelves to maximize your storage potential. Effortlessly glide this lightweight cart on its 360 degrees rotating casters. 2 wheels include brakes for stability, ensuring it stays put when you need it to. Crafted from durable, waterproof plastic, this cart is perfect for damp areas. Its hollow design allows for easy drainage and quick cleaning with just a damp cloth. This multi-purpose cart is ideal for lightweight storage in small spaces. Use the side hooks for towels and the high-walled baskets for toiletries or kitchen supplies. No tools needed for assembly. Simply snap the components together following the clear guide. You'll have it set up and ready to use in just minutes. What we like? This rolling cart is perfect for tight spaces. Its slim profile and wheels make it easy to move and store. If you have narrow gaps in your bathroom, kitchen, or laundry room, this cart will fit right in and keep your essentials organized. What people say. This is a great organizer for my bedroom. It has multiple compartments that fit all my clothes and accessories. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits perfectly in my small bedroom. It doesn't take up too much space. I love how sturdy this organizer is. It can hold a lot of weight without wobbling. Number 4. 3-Pack Sock Underwear Drawer Organizer Dividers, Gray. Tired of messy drawers? Introducing our 3-pack drawer organizers, designed to bring order to your sock, underwear, and tie collections. Keep everything neat and easily accessible. With a total of 64 slots across 3 organizers, these are perfect for all your small essentials. Save space and find what you need in seconds, making your morning smoother. You'll receive 3 organizers, 2 with 24 medium cells and 1 with 16 larger cells. This unique design accommodates everything from delicate lingerie to bulky winter socks. Crafted from tear-resistant fabric and sturdy PP boards, these organizers are built for durability. They resist dust and moisture, ensuring your items stay protected and fresh. Setting them up is a breeze, just zip them open. Use them in closets, dressers, shelves, or anywhere you need a touch of organization. They fold flat for easy storage when not in use. Keeping them fresh is simple. Just rinse with water and air dry. These organizers are designed for long-lasting convenience and easy upkeep. What we like? Get organized with these fabric drawer dividers. They offer ample space for socks, underwear, and ties, making it easy to find what you need. If you're looking to declutter your dresser drawers and want a neat, accessible way to store small clothing items, these are a great choice. What people say. The drawers slide smoothly and have a good amount of space for clothes. The modular design allows for customization to fit different spaces. Assembly was straightforward with clear instructions provided. Number 3. SONGMICS GISELLA Collection Jewelry Box UJBC 239WT. Introducing the SONGMICS GISELLA Collection Jewelry Box. Keep all your precious accessories neatly organized in one beautiful place. This organizer features 3 distinct layers of storage. Small items fit perfectly in the top layer's slots, ensuring everything has its designated spot. The 2 spacious drawers below provide ample room for your larger jewelry pieces. Never struggle to find what you need again. With its modern style in cloud white and gold, it adds a touch of elegance to any vanity. It measures 8 by 9.1 by 5.3 inches. The clear glass lid allows you to admire your collection at a glance. It's the perfect blend of style and functionality for your jewelry. What we like? This elegant jewelry box offers multi-level organization. It has dedicated slots for smaller items and drawers for larger pieces. If you have a collection of jewelry and want a stylish way to keep it all in one place, protected and beautifully displayed, this organizer is ideal. What people say. This organizer is perfect for storing my sweaters and blankets. It has a large capacity and fits neatly in my closet. I love the clear windows on this storage bin. I can easily see what's inside without having to open it. The handles on the sides make it easy to pull the bin out from under my bed. It's a great space-saving solution. Number 2. Magic Hangers 6-pack, smart space saving. Tired of a cluttered closet? These innovative hangers instantly create over 80% more wardrobe capacity, keeping your clothes neatly separated and wrinkle-free. They are essential for small apartments, college dorms, or any limited closet space. Enjoy unparalleled flexibility with a 360 degrees rotating hook and seamless vertical to horizontal stacking. This system offers easy garment access and efficient air drying, perfect for organizing diverse wardrobes. Crafted from premium, thick and PP plastic, these hangers securely support significant weight without bending or breaking. They are a reliable, long-lasting solution for heavy garments and busy closets. The unique 9-square hole design ensures even spacing and ventilation for each item, preventing clothes from crowding and wrinkling. This makes selection effortless and preserves garment quality. This convenient 6-pack of multicolor, compact organizers provides an immediate upgrade to your closet system. They are an essential and thoughtful gift for college students or anyone desiring a clutter-free lifestyle. What we like? Maximize your closet space with these innovative hangers. They allow for vertical storage, instantly increasing your wardrobe capacity. If you have a small closet or a lot of clothes and want to keep them organized and wrinkle-free, these hangers are a must-have. What people say. This is a great product for organizing my bedroom. It has a lot of storage space and is very sturdy. Number 1. StorageWorks Fabric Storage Bins. Tired of flimsy storage solutions? Our fabric bins are built to last, featuring a strong metal frame and reinforced base. They stand tall and proud, even when empty, ensuring your belongings are always neatly contained. These large baskets offer ample space for all your storage needs. From clothes and towels to blankets and toys, they neatly organize everything, keeping your home clutter-free. Moving your stored items has never been easier. With 2 securely riveted PU handles, you can effortlessly lift and transport these bins without worry of strain or tearing. Perfect for any space in your home, these bins act as ideal baskets for shelves or closet organizers. Keep your bedrooms, living rooms, laundry areas, and dorms tidy and stylish. When not in use, these clever bins fold flat in seconds, making storage a breeze. Maximize your space with this efficient and convenient design. Crafted from natural fiber, these bins bring a touch of natural elegance to your home. They are as practical as they are beautiful, offering a stylish way to keep organized. What we like? These large fabric storage bins offer a robust solution for clutter. Built with a metal frame and durable fabric, they stand up well even when empty. If you need to store blankets, toys, or clothes on shelves or in closets, these bins provide ample space and a clean look. What people say. This is a great product for organizing my bedroom. It has multiple compartments and is very sturdy. I love how much space this product saves. It fits perfectly in my closet and holds a lot of items. The design is sleek and modern, and it was easy to assemble. It looks great in my room. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.